This one got hit in the side.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona.
I have a Acura MDX here. This one got hit in the side, and it's getting 2 new doors, and then this rocker panel is all crushed throughout this area. So it is getting a rocker panel section. This is actually how they sell it. That's how it comes. So it gets sectioned in right around here. I'll just hold it up here. It gets sectioned in right in this area, back in here, and then up front, up in here. Some procedures from Honda that show exactly how they want it done. But I'm going to start by going ahead and getting the existing one cut off and out of the way. Then I'll trim it back from there. So it looks like they don't have any exact measurements here like some cars do, but it looks like I could put this in, I could section this in up here, or they have an option I could put it in right about here, which is what I think I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to put it in right here. I'm going to put this in all the way at the top right here at the seam, and then I'm going to put this back piece in. Again, they don't have a measurement, but it's right around this area. Actually, I'll probably go ahead and put this back piece in right here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this out the rest of the way. So I went ahead and I fit up both of these doors to make sure they lined up good. It looks like my gaps look really nice. They're sitting just like they're supposed to, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lift these doors back off and get that rocker section all welded on.